Hello everyone, Adrian D. Holmes here, back at you with another exciting video. Today, I am going to be featuring a brand new product, and it is this beautiful thing right here, the Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch SE, arguably one of the best wallet-friendly watch models that Apple has ever produced. And I'm gonna go ahead and I need to clear my table because what the heck is this Amazon thing doing here? And why the heck is Google here? Go away, Google. Anyway, I need to change my glasses. I'm gonna put on glasses that make me look like I know what I'm talking about, so I'm gonna put these on. All right, there we go. Awesome, now I'm smart. All right, so here's the Apple Watch box without the plastic wrap. You can see the iconic Apple logo with the watch, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty much nondescript on all sides. On the back, you see information about the watch itself. It's an Apple Watch SE. I got the space gray. This particular watch model comes in 40mm and 44mm. My Series 3 watch that I owned before this was a 42mm, but this is a definite upgrade in overall hardware and software. We're gonna go ahead and lift up on these tabs here and open it up and see what's inside. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. You see all the little Apple Watch designs here with all the different types of bands. We get the one box on the bottom for the sport band. This is the sport band model. I got space gray with the black sport band. And then here is the box that I presume the actual watch is contained in. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what is inside. Ah, yes. Set that aside. Ta-da! Look at that. Looks like this is the actual watch face itself, and then we have the accompanying paperwork that always comes with the devices, and then down here is the charging cable. Doesn't come with an adapter. My previous model didn't either, so I just have been recycling the same wall adapter for the past couple of watch models.
Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. It's the cutest thing I swear you'll ever see. It's the best. So get dressed, I'll impress you with the colors of the rainbow. Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. It's so magical, let's go there in your dreams. It's the best. So get dressed, I'll impress you with the lights up in the window. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you.
So basically, if you're familiar with the Apple Watch setup process, it's the same thing. You have to pair the watch. So I'm gonna set up for myself. Nope, there we go. Apple Watch is paired. I'm gonna set up as a new watch. It's thinking. Connecting your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box for the wristband. I don't want to damage this box because I love keeping the boxes. Pull out what's in here and see what it shows inside. And we open it up. Ooh, these are more step-by-step instructions on how to attach the watch bands to the watch itself. And there you go. Look at that. You actually get two different types of bands. You get the medium-large wristband, and then you get the small-medium wristband. You just kind of pop it out of the paper. There we go. Go ahead and pop it out there. And then these are just the warnings and labels about the watch. Don't chew on it, and just don't let your babies eat it. I've worn my watch so often I can't even remember if there was like a top or bottom way to do this or not. So we're just gonna do whichever way feels right. Well, you know what? I should probably refer to the instructions. All right, so it says to attach band, slide until you hear a click, blah, blah, blah. That doesn't help me a lot.
Candy Cane Lane, bring a friend this holiday. Bring a friend who loves to play. We'll eat all the candy canes, so.
Okay, now let's see how the pairing process is going. You just go through the terms and conditions, agree, location services, yada, yada, yada. Bold text and size, select your preferred reading experience. When you control the text on the phone, if you notice on the watch screen itself, it actually changes. We'll set a passcode. And no, you may not look. That does that. We'll install the updates manually. Apple Pay, yes, we have the emergency SOS. Choose which apps we want to install later, and now it is syncing. Okay, so while we're waiting for these guys to load, I figured I may as well go ahead and share some life updates with you. First big update is we're celebrating a channel milestone. This channel has just crossed the 350 subscriber threshold. I promised in a previous video that we were going to do a special Q&A video and all that. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get all of that set up in time. I've been super busy at work, but gladly I do have something to do in its stead, and that's an awesome unboxing video. In addition to the 350 subscriber milestone, I do have a personal life update I'd like to share. I moved to Panama City Beach, Florida back in February of this year, right before Corona broke out and wreaked havoc all across the world. I moved here for my new job with my all-time favorite airline, Southwest Airlines. Yay! And when I was hired, I weighed 234 pounds. Fast forward to October 2020, and I now weigh 196 pounds. I hope I look good on the video, but if not, oh well, you can get over it. I just wanted to share a couple of those life updates. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I invite you to subscribe right now. Go ahead and click the subscription button wherever it is down below, and also remember to like this video, because every time someone likes the video, subscribes, and leaves a comment down in the comment section below, all of those interactions are helpful. Also, if you are interested in purchasing one of these Apple Watches for yourself, I'm going to leave a special link down in the description box below for you to click through. And if you click through that link and purchase the Apple Watch through that link, I will get a little bit of a kickback from that purchase to help me grow this channel even more. Here is the finished product of my brand new Apple Watch SE. As you can see, I selected a watch face that features all of my favorite shades of blue. Anyway, my name is Adrian D. Holmes. Thank you so much for watching this video. To learn more about me and my videos, visit adriandholmes.com, and also check out the description box below this video to learn more about this watch and the music that you've heard in the video. Bye!